In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly meeting reminders in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring clarity at each stage. Let's dive in and make your scheduling system more efficient. First, open up your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. Click on the Login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address when prompted and click Continue. Make sure it's the email associated with your Calendly account. Next, you'll be asked for your password. Enter the password and click Continue to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Calendly homepage. From here, our goal is to access the functionality that will let us automate reminders. So go ahead and look for the Workflows section. Click on it to get started. Within Workflows, our next step is to create a new workflow. This feature will allow us to specify actions that occur automatically in relation to our scheduled events. With the new workflow created, choose Email Reminder to Invitee as the workflow option. This preset template optimizes our work by providing a solid foundation that we can customize. At this point, take a moment to name your workflow something intuitive. This will help you identify it later on when reviewing or editing. Now select an event type that you want the workflow to apply to and click Apply. This ensures that the automation is linked to the correct type of meeting. Next, we need to define the timing of the reminder. Click Edit under the When This Happens section. Here, enter the options that suit your needs, focusing on the reminder's timing before the event. Select Before Event Starts and choose when you would like the reminder to be sent out. Click on Done once you have configured this to your liking. After setting the timing, go to Do This and click on Edit. This allows you to modify the specifics of your email reminder. Here's where you can truly customize. Enter the recipient's email address, select a reminder template, and tweak the subject line and body text of the email to fit the tone and information needed for your meetings. Once satisfied, go through and tick any relevant checkboxes to finalize these settings. Confirm your edits by clicking Done. Finally, if there's an additional action you want to add to the workflow, click on Add Action. Once all desired actions are in place, click Save to make sure everything is configured appropriately. By the end of this process, you've set up an efficient automated system for sending out meeting reminders via Calendly. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your attendees are timely reminded according to your schedule's demands.